Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us encounter while organizing our files on our computers. The problem we're tackling today is the frustration of accidentally deleting an important file or folder and not being able to recover it. This can happen to the best of us, whether it's due to a mistaken click or a software glitch. But fear not, because we have a solution for you. The solution to this problem lies in utilizing a feature called the recycle bin on Windows computers or the trash on Mac systems. When you delete a file or folder, it doesn't immediately disappear into the digital abyss. Instead, it gets moved to the recycle bin or trash where it awaits its final fate. By accessing these bins, you can easily restore your deleted files with just a few clicks. This simple yet effective solution can save you from the heart-stopping moment of thinking you've lost important documents for good. In addition to the recycle bin and trash options, you can also consider enabling the file history feature on Windows or the Time Machine on Mac. These backup systems automatically save copies of your files at regular intervals, allowing you to retrieve earlier versions in case of accidental deletions. This proactive solution adds an extra layer of protection to your data and gives you peace of mind knowing that you have a safety net in place. In summary, the next time you find yourself in a panic after deleting a crucial file, remember that there's a solution at your fingertips. Whether it's utilizing the recycle bin, trash, or setting up a backup system, there are ways to recover your lost data. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts on today's topic. Until next time, happy computing, and may your files always be easily recoverable.